This is January 29th in our windy New Mexico home. This wind is really blowing. There's the trees over there. It's supposed to be 30-something miles an hour at times today. And this is about our third or fourth dust storm in the area. I'll show you a little bit more in the second segment of this presentation. This is our friendly neighborhood volunteer fire department. Might be able to hear the flag flapping in the wind. And the wind in the trees over here. Probably can't hear the sand slapping against the camera. Nice day. This is our friendly neighborhood Family Dollar store. A little bit of dust blowing through the parking lot here. And over here to the left is El Paso. You just can't see it. You just can't see the mountain in the middle of it. Normally clear as day. Wish you were here.